focus to Uttar Pradesh now, because the debate over the excavation of temples in UP Sambhal has been raging for some time now. And in the latest update, the UP Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath has said that he would ensure that he identified and excavated as many pilgrim sites available in Sambhal. Now, this response came to a question as to how many more sites would be identified after his claims of 64 such sites in the district. When questioned about the safety of Muslims in his state, Yogi Adityanath said that the community is the safest in the state of Uttar Pradesh.
आपके राज्य में क्या मुसलमान सुरक्षित है?
उत्तर प्रदेश में मुसलमान सबसे ज्यादा सुरक्षित है, सबसे ज्यादा सुरक्षित है। अगर हिंदू सुरक्षित है तो वह भी सुरक्षित है।
आपने कहा कि संभल में 64 कुछ तीर्थ स्थल हैं और 18 की पहचान हो गई है,
अभी बढ़कर 54 तक पहुंच गई है।
कितनी जगह खोदेंगे, कितने मस्जिद?
जितने भी होंगे सब ढूंढेंगे।
तो फिर आप मथुरा की बात क्यों उठा रहे हैं?
मथुरा की बात क्यों नहीं उठा रहे? मथुरा श्री कृष्ण की जन्मभूमि नहीं है क्या?
पर वो तो अब कोर्ट में है ना।
कोर्ट का ही आदेश पालन कर रहे हैं ना, तो अब तक तो वहां बहुत कुछ हो गया होता है।
Adib, now this is a strong statement from the UP Chief Minister, especially when it comes to the pilgrim sites in Sambhal, who have over the years and decades lost their identity, is something that the UP Chief Minister says that as many as over 60 of them have been found, and this would be an exercise that would also continue.
Well, definitely, Amita, see, Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath has been very vocal about this when it comes to pilgrim sites in Uttar Pradesh. He has been saying it for a very long time, and again he has said this, that unless and until all the pilgrim sites have been found, we will continue to do so. In fact, he also went on to say, give the reference of the Krishna Janmabhoomi in Mathura, saying that we are just following the orders of the court and we will do as per the law. So, see, this is how the Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath is making his stand clear when it comes to the pilgrimage sites, whether it be in Sambhal or any other part of the state. The stand of the Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath and his government is very clear. If it's about the pilgrimage and the people have captured it illegally, the government will do anything to take it back, and this is what the Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath has been saying, Amita.
And also, as far as what the opposition time and again continues to raise questions on when it comes to the safety and the identity of Muslim community not being compromised, saying that when it comes to the security and the safety of Muslims are concerned, they are the safest in the state of Uttar Pradesh. That's a big statement coming in from Yogi Adityanath, the Chief Minister. Adi, thank you. Back after a short break.